Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with a share. If you remember, maybe a few weeks ago, could have been a month ago, my lovely niece shared with me some awesome craft supplies from her grandmother. They were destashing, cleaning out closet, I'm not sure, but I really scored. And these is one of the boxes that I did get, and so I'm just gonna go through it. It's Anna Griffith's Glorious Christmas Card Kit, and it says this makes 20 unique cards. I am not sure where she got this from, but these are the things that are included. So let's check it out. I'm not sure if they've done anything, if everything's in its original, but it looks like it comes with how the cards are supposed to look when you complete them. So it looks like we've got some sentiments that are up on puffy stickers that are already assembled. So we have a few of those, it looks like. And we also have this bag of gold ribbon. Sorry for the glare. It's already knotted. And we also have a bag of red ribbon bows. Wow, look at all of this. These are all dimensional. They all have layers in between them. The poinsettia leaves, I mean everything. The deer has layers. Wow, I mean really probably just need to stick this together and call it good. Like no thinking about it or anything. Maybe. Let's see. We got some of these papers. I'm not sure. It looks like maybe they might have worked on some of it. Maybe. Oh, and look at these cutouts. There's a bag of these cutouts. And then a bag of these thin ribbon. Wow. And then, oh, this paper has velvet on it. But there is velvet texture to this paper here. Then this is just cardstock. Some more cardstock. Oh, the cards are already folded. They have inserts in them. So yes, pretty much I think you just glue it together. Oh, and look, maybe somebody might have been already arranging these in a certain way. Well, I'm gonna dig into this and I'll be back and show you what I did. Okay, so out of the whole kit that was in the box, they did use some stuff, so I didn't make all 20 cards, but I do have lots of stuff extra as well. I made 18 cards. I'll go through them. So that's the first one.
They all have sentiments. There's another. And another. I'll leave this one here. And another.
So probably took me about a half hour, 45 minutes maybe. to put together. And this, I'm going to show you what I have left. So there's 2 extra envelopes for the 19 and 20 card that I should have made. I don't have any more card bases or sentiment bases. However, I do have these matting ones. So I can use these on another little project. So 4 of these papers. Felt like there was more. And then 2 of these scraps. 3 of these trims. I used all the gold and red ribbons, and then I tied the little ribbons, so I have 3 of those left. And then I have a bunch of these, you know, layered die cuts that I can still use on other Christmas projects. And then a bunch of the swirly cutouts too I still have left. So again, that was the Anna Griffin Glorious Christmas gift cards. And my wonderful nieces watching. Thank you, Caitlin. I appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this little share. I have 3 more boxes like these that I'm not sure if they've tried to make any of the cards or not, but I'm gonna probably start digging into them and get them made so I can either use them for the upcoming season or gift to some pen pals. So if you're new here, I hope you like this video. Consider subscribing below, and if you know of any crafty friends you'd like to share this with, consider doing so. I would love to have you as a new subby. You can find more videos here. And until my next video, shakas!